Imagine for a moment that you're standing at the edge of a small area of woodland. You are standing at the edge of a small area of woodland. It's a beautiful day. The sun is shining. The birds are singing. And something inside you has drawn you to this precise spot. Imagine the trees blossoming, blooming wild flowers, and you can hear the song of 1,000 birds. Notice the colors, the landscape. Behind you, there are rolling hills of grass, corn, and meadows covered with lilac. Form a strong image in your mind. Now, imagine, in front of you, a pathway that leads into the woods. You feel safe here. There is something familiar about this place. You sense the beckoning of something very special inside. You slowly start to walk along the path. You can see the sun's rays flashing through the tree canopy, casting light and shadow on the blooming flowers. The wild flowers cover the ground, with butterflies hopping from petal to petal. Form a strong image in your mind. As you walk through this stunning imagery, you can smell the perfume of fauna, touch the tall grasses with the tips of your fingers, and hear the sounds of breaking twigs beneath your feet. Notice the colors, the landscape. Let the image of this beautiful place supersede all others. You might want to run your hands through the long grasses. You may want to place your hands on the bark of a tree and feel its texture. Pick up a pebble and observe it in the palm of your hand. Let all your senses connect with this place. making a strong image in your mind. You can now see the sun's rays streaming through an opening in the canopy. Streams of white light touching ground. You sense it is inviting you to take part in something. Walk towards the beam of light. Step inside the light. Consider for a moment that you have more than one body. Living from physical, emotional, mental, and spiritual dimensions. You are a multi-dimensional being. Performing in harmony, each body serves to light up your entire organism and being. You are invited to take part in the restoration of that balance. To connect with the hidden source in the deepest levels of your spirit and in the most outward places of your body.